Hey everyone, and welcome to the first episode of the simREF Roadshow. Today, I'll show you the home screen, the place where every simREF session starts. First, a quick but important note, simREF is made only for flight simulation. It's not certified, and it must not be used for real-world flying or pilot training. Once you confirm that, you can enter the app. This is the airframe selection screen. At the top, you see the current data package version, your operator selector in the center, and a settings button on the right. With the operator selector, you can switch between profiles like EasyJet, Lufthansa Group, Wizz Air, and others. Each profile adjusts checklist wording and some references so simREF feels closer to the airline you usually fly in the sim. In settings, you enter your SimBrief username once. That's all the app needs to fetch your latest flight plan automatically. Below that, you'll find the aircraft section. Here you define the family, Airbus A319, a 320 or A321, the generation, CEO or NEO, the engine type, and the registration. When you tap Edit, you can change these with a few taps. simREF then automatically chooses a realistic subtype and engine label for that combination. For example, A320-214 with CFM56 or a 321 NEO with LEAP engines. All of this feeds into the EQRH content and the checklists you'll see later. The flight section can either show simple stats or a detailed view of your last SimBrief plan. Without a plan, you'll see how many bookmarks you have and how many flights you've already completed with simREF. Once you tap Fetch SimBrief, the app talks to the SimBrief XML API using your username. If a flight plan is found, simREF fills this card with departure and arrival runway, SID and star, airports, call sign and flight number, IATA prefix, registration, and the cost index. In the background, it also tries to match the aircraft family, engine, and even the operator profile based on your call sign prefix. At the bottom, this button opens the EQRH library, where all normal, abnormal, OEB, and MEL or OPS content lives. So the home screen is all about three things: choosing the operator, selecting the airframe, and, if you want, pulling your SimBrief flight. In the next episode, we'll dive into the normal checklists and see how simREF adapts the flows to the setup you've just seen here. Thanks for watching, and see you in episode 2.